Okay, so we continue with our Miracles of Mind series. And here we are today on day 6. The lesson is develop a burning desire to achieve your goals and use that desire to fuel your actions. So, what is the burning desire we are talking about? This burning desire is your passion, your deep interest, perhaps your dream, perhaps your great interest. Okay, so how can you develop this burning desire? If you refer to my last lesson, lesson number 5, set specific clear goals with clarity, that should give you a clear desire. Once you have goals, you have a reason to wake up in the morning, and then you can bring your passion, your burning desire to achieve those goals. Yes, the goals could be about your life, could be about your career, could be about any project, because goals never end. They are ongoing procedures, they are ongoing processes, and you need them one after the other. So enjoy the journey. Okay, so goals are temporary, they are transient. Enjoy the journey, make yourself the person capable to achieve that career, to sustain that career, and be happy in that career. That is the crux. Okay, so developing a burning desire to achieve your goals is essential if you want to achieve success in life. Okay, without a desire, without a passion, you can never achieve anything or attain anything. What is this burning desire? It's a deep, intense passion for something that drives you to take action towards that goal. You want to achieve it. And where there is will, there is a way. So once you've set a clear goal, once you have got that desire, you will not be obstructed by challenges, by obstacles, by any hamperings, because you have enough reason, enough desire, enough passion to rise above everything else. No challenges will stop you. When you have a burning desire, you're filled with energy, you're filled with motivation to take action. So, what do you need? Nothing else. When you wake up every morning, there is a sense of purpose. You have direction. You are willing to go that mile. You are willing to cross that road. You are willing to cross that river. Yes, because you have the burning desire. Now, to what can you do to develop this burning desire? You can develop this burning desire when you have a deeper meaning, when you have some purpose, when you have some principles. Do visit my website where I talk of your core values, where I talk about your passion, where I write in detail. You can read if you're a great reader. Go and read, and you will find why we need this passion and how can we create this passion. It's not nothing difficult. As you evolve in life, your passions will evolve, your passions will mature, your passions will go deeper, your passions will go broader, your passions will go higher. So you have to start the journey. It doesn't end anywhere. And then what is it that you truly want to achieve, and why is it important to you? So what you have to do is you have to find your whys. You have to find your reasons why you're passionate about something. And once you know your why, your house will be there. You will automatically by default hunt out, screen out, find out, discover, explore ways to achieve it because you've developed a desire for it. So now you have to develop an understanding of your why. You develop a because this why will give you a tap, will give you a well of motivation and drive. And once you have developed this burning desire, you see that this desire is a fuel to your actions. This desire gives impetus to your actions because your actions translate into your achievements in life, your success in life. This means consistent, focused action towards your goal even when it is difficult or uncomfortable. You know, when your work is a work, it is difficult. When your work is a play, it is not difficult. Because then your work is fun to you, then your work is pleasure to you, because it's your desire, because it's your passion, because it's your goal. How will you not do it? Nothing will hamper you, nothing will stop you. It means pushing past your limits and taking risks, And there's a wonderful video of Earl Nightingale, which is there on my same playlist. You will see who takes risk, who is ready to take risk, and who can take risk, and where will the risk take you, because risk takers will only succeed in life and none other. So with this I end today's video. I'll see you again with lesson number 7. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your mind, make your mind perform miracles for you. So thank you and see you